Hello, good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will find, my dear student. This is class 10 to chapter 2nd from exercise 2.1. What's saying this question? Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay, my dear students. So here find uh, relation between the zeros and coefficient. Okay, my dear students. So related questions here given x square minus 2x minus 8. Okay, my dear, you know what's coefficient, my dear students? Any alphabet between relation of multiplication to digit. Suppose that 2 into a is your 2a. Okay, my dear students. Any digit and any alphabets within relation of multiplication. So relationship of digit within alphabets, so that digit is your coefficient. Okay, my dear students. Suppose that 2 and a within relationships in 2, this sign is hidden, but I can see sign of multiplication here, my dear students, but here is not seen sign of multiplication. Multiplication sign is hidden, but relationship of within between 2 and a multiplication relation, and that digit is your coefficient. Suppose that 2 is your coefficient. 2 is your 2 is your, my dear students, coefficient. 2 is your coefficients. This coefficients, 2 is your coefficient of a. Okay, my dear students. Now 3x. So my dear students, here x coefficient is your 3. Okay, my dear students, and 58 y square. So now, my dear students, I can say this y square coefficient is your 58. Okay, my dear students, and 2x to the power 4. So now x to the power 4 is your coefficient 2, because 2 is multiplication form within x to the power 4. So now here coefficient x to the power 4 is your 2. Okay, my dear students. So now then after, now see it here, my dear students. You know alpha plus beta is your minus b upon a. This is your formulas and not your copy. Alpha into beta is your c upon a. Okay, my dear students, these formulas not your notebook. And my dear students, x square within multiplication 1, but 1 is here not seen easily. Any alphabet not given any digits, so you has 1 is hidden that alphabet within. Okay, my dear students. So here alphabet 1 is hidden. Okay, my dear students. So now x coefficient is your 1. X square coefficient is your also 1. Okay, my dear students. So solve these questions, my dear students. X square minus 2x minus 8, value of a. My dear students, you know a. Here 1 is hidden within multiplication included form of x square, but here is 1 hidden. So now value of a is your 1 and value of b is your b. Coefficient of x minus 2 and value of c is your minus 8. Okay, my dear student, minus 8. But any digit relation of multiplication within that digit you find coefficient, but any digit not multiplication alphabet apply, so that digit is your constant. Okay, my dear students. Now it stands here minus 8, so minus 8 here is your constant. Okay my dear students, x square coefficient is your 1, 1 is value of a, here coefficient of x minus 2. Okay my dear student, minus 2 is your value b, and minus 8 here not within multiplication any alphabet, so minus 8 is your constant. Okay my dear, so minus 8 is your constant because not within any alphabet multiplication included form of this here given. Okay, so now minus 8 is your constant. Okay my dear students, so my dear students, alpha plus beta and alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta relation of is your zeros. Okay my dear students, relation between the zeros and coefficient. So now here find coefficient, and now at here find relation of zeros, minus b upon a. Okay my dear students, so now value of b minus 2, and already a minus given in this your formula, minus b and minus 2, minus and value of b minus 2. Okay my dear students, so now value of a 1. My dear students, you know minus into minus is your plus 2 upon 1, value of 2. Okay my dear students, now so alpha into beta. My dear students, alpha into beta c upon a, you know, so value of c is your minus 8, and upon has been given value of a, so now see it here, value of a 1. So my dear students, any digit include form of the upon, but their places upon has in 1, so I write here numerator numbers. Okay my dear students, so now numerator number is your minus 8 right here. Okay my dear, because here upon has in 1, so I write here minus 8 only. Okay my dear, this is your answer. Value of zeros, alpha plus beta is your 2, and value of alpha into beta is your minus 8, and here find value of a is your 1, and b is your minus 2, and c is your minus 8. This is your answer. Okay my dear students, thank you.